Thank you for your interest in QueryWeb, where we make online interviewing simple. QueryWeb is designed specifically for the online survey needs of market researchers. It is the ideal hosted solution for completing simple polls as well as complex online studies. QueryWeb includes all of the tools needed for your research project in one easy-to-use interface. QueryWeb provides secure online hosted study management, allowing you to track quotas, run reports, and control the progress of your study in real time. Within minutes, studies are web-enabled using QueryWeb Designer. First, create your study using WinQuery or QueryWeb Survey Creator. Then, customize your study in the QueryWeb Designer tool. You can easily modify and look at the feel of your questionnaire, add pictures, videos, and links to your online study. Upload the study to your QueryWeb server, and that's it. We will now review the simple steps to designing your web project using QueryWeb Designer. QueryWeb Designer has two major components, the introduction page and the questions page. Selecting the Introduction Page tab allows you to create and design the opening screen for your QueryWeb interview. On the Internet, this screen automatically leads to the questionnaire. The questionnaire page allows you to customize the appearance of questions for web interviewing. Let's get started by customizing the introduction text on our Introduction Page tab. Introduction text is the text for the opening screen of the QueryWeb interview. Introduction text for your study can be entered and edited. A Begin Interview button will automatically appear in the center of the screen below the text. Web Page Title allows you to enter text that appears on the title bar for each page of the QueryWeb interview. The title bar appears at the top of your Internet browser. Select Access Code Sample File checkbox if access codes will be used for security purposes. The access code is a unique identifier for each respondent participating in the QueryWeb interview. The redirection URL boxes are used to redirect the respondent upon completion, termination, or upon over quota to a specific location. By default, the Save Points checkbox is enabled to save partially completed interviews if the respondent closes their web browser. Choosing Save Points is an option, recommended but not required. The Interview Once per Computer checkbox is selected to prevent a respondent from doing the interview more than once per computer. Finally, the Display Introduction Page checkbox is enabled to display the introduction page at the start of the interview. If this is not enabled, the interview begins directly with the first question of the web study. We will now review the available options for customizing your questionnaire using the Questions Page tab. Use drop-down menu may be specified for single-choice closed-end question. When this feature is enabled, the respondent selects a pre-specified answer from the drop-down menu. Allow blank open-ends may be specified to allow a respondent to pass by an open-end question without inputting an answer. The option to sum numeric closed ends will provide an automatic running total at the bottom of the screen when a numeric closed-end question is encountered. Display questions on one page allows a series of consecutive questions to be grouped and displayed on one page. Display as a one-page matrix allows a single or multiple choice question to be displayed on one page as a matrix for convenient answer selection. Selecting the Display Status Bar option places a status bar on the bottom of the screen. Selecting the Highlight checkbox engages the text highlight type of question. And selecting Add Slider Bar displays a slider bar for numeric answer questions. The navigation options allow you to display customized back buttons, quit buttons, and next buttons. Complete your customization options by selecting the questionnaire frame and questionnaire layout from the Formatting section of QueryWeb Designer. After you have designed your questionnaire for QueryWeb, you are ready to upload and manage your study using our QueryWeb hosting service. Our secure online study management tools allow you to upload your QueryWeb study, view quotas, run real-time reports, upload data, and download and track progress of your study. QueryWeb hosting also includes data analysis tools for running marginals, frequencies, numeric progressions, and listing verbatim responses in real time. Thank you for watching this QueryWeb tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to visit our online help for additional details about QueryWeb and QueryWeb Designer.